we're back with another pallet unboxing for you guys for today. Today we have a Amazon GM liquidation pallet for you guys to showcase. We got this for $400 at You Pick a Pallet in Mount Vernon, Illinois. So we are on a attempt to show you what's on a $400 Amazon liquidation pallet. So, first thing first, we have a swing down crib rail from Regalo. The box is in pretty good condition. It's been opened. It's back. So with Amazon, you gotta make sure everything's in there, all the parts and pieces. But for the most part, it is. You have a couple broken pieces on there, but nothing too bad. This one we have a.
It's an oil.
Oh, an oil pan and some oil pans. From that, we have some HP Instant Ink. That sounds like it's been returned, like they bought a new ink and then they shipped their old one back. So it's definitely not in a box or anything. That's probably just trash. Safe?
It's a safe. It's heavy.
Yep. Yeah. So this one is a really nice safe. And the bad thing about it is, I think the keys are locked inside it. So I hear. Ooh, I dropped it. I hear some.
There's another safe.
Some stuff in here.
So maybe the keys to this safe.
Work on that one.
I don't know what the likelihood of that is. But
Yeah, I mean, so a safe.
it has directions in it.
So we'll see if we can get them open. If not, it's just $400 pallet for Amazon pallet.
Brand
Really
new.
good. So okay.
That's brand new.
Cool.
Keys are right there.
Awesome. So yeah. So 174. This is the Amazon Basic Safe. This is brand new. The keys are sitting right on top. So that one's in good shape.
Can you lift that down?
Yep. We have a Farberware classic microwave.
And this is good for you.
It looks, oh sweet, a nice Halo Master Chief helmet. This looks like it's pretty good condition. It's still got the plastic wrap on it. We got a Halo Master Chief helmet. How's it look? So probably part of a Halloween costume or something. Okay, you stole my knife.
Well, I mean, you can always go grab another one. There you go.
So this is it's a battery box. So a new battery box for your, I don't know, car, camper, tractor, I don't know, it doesn't say on here. I'll have to do some research, so. A new battery box. An even flow baby gate. These always sell really quick for us, especially around here. That really stinks about that safe. I don't understand why you would lock the keys in there anyway.
There you go.
To ship it back. But whatever. What's in yonder? Oh, it's kitchen pots and pans. Oh, kitchen pot pans that's been used. Got a big old burn mark at the bottom. It's a really nice pan. Like I don't know what the brand is good or not. New Way Housewares. It's really big. I mean, it looks like it's in really nice shape, except it's like burnt in the bottom. So I don't know if that'll sell or not. I'll have to do some more research on it. See if it's a good brand. Some like artificial fern leaves. Those artificial plants so good. Oh, this is a scanner. All right, or a laminator. Yeah, a laminator. Yeah, a laminator. So an Amazon Basics laminator. I don't know how much laminators go for these days.
I hate how Amazon does it.
Amazon always wraps it really tight.
They wrap it with tape.
Packaging tape all the way around. So another metal walk-through safety gate. So we got, I think it's a briefcase. Briefcase with some luggage, I think. That's what I'm thinking. Yeah. A little mini luggage, like the little bitty things on. Cute as my wife says. So brand new. So I mean, this is a $400 Amazon pallet is really hard to mess up.
Dang.
You know what I mean? Like it's really hard to lose money on a $400 Amazon pallet, especially when they're
like
like
10 or
6.5
15 picture frames in there.
6.5 foot tall. Yeah. So yeah, I don't know if you can hear Hunter. So this is all brand new, 6 or 7, really nice like picture frames. Like, and they're not broke. I mean, these are brand new. The glass is still right here. I can see. I don't know if they're black or something, but really nice picture frames. Like, all this is perfect for marketplace. I mean, some stuff maybe eBay, but I mean marketplace. I mean, you can't go wrong with like a microwave that you can probably get $25 out of. Safety you can get $25 a piece out of a safe, probably 30. I mean, a luggage probably 40. So it's really hard to go wrong. What's this?
I don't know.
Oh, you haven't opened it yet.
I was just trying to not.
Oh, you haven't opened any of it. Okay, my bad.
Here.
All right. Here's we got a.
Ooh, this is sparkly.
I'm not. I don't
This
know
was
what
a
this
wreath.
is. A window regulator. So the window regulator on some model car, I don't know what it says. We'll just scan the barcode to see. But it's a Dorman window regulator. I'm sure it's worth these money. It's brand new. I mean, it's still in the wrapping and everything. So car parts sell. I mean, people need car parts all the time. So.
Oh, it's in here?
This looks like a. Is it a Christmas? It's a wreath.
Yeah, it's a Christmas.
A sparkly Christmas wreath. Lights on it. Christmas right around the corner. That'll sell in no time. This big box is all for a dented lampshade.
That's pretty dented.
Very dented. As you can see, that's what I think of it. Nice, a shelf. So a brand new little black, like metal shelf. Oh, but it has wheels, like one of the rolling ones. It looks like it's 3 shelves on it. Probably for a kitchen, if I was guessing. What do we got, love?
There you go.
Oh, give me the honors.
Yep.
It looks nice and big and boxy. It looks brand new. We got a convection baseboard heater comfort zone. I saw a baby on the box. I thought it was something to do with babies, but it's a brand new heater. With winter coming around, I don't think that will last long. I don't know what a baseboard heater like that would cost, but once again on a $400 pallet, I don't think you can go wrong. A sleeping bag. Oasis sleeping bag in this box. And Amazon pallets are always fun because you have no idea what you're getting. It's all mystery boxes, so you might get anywhere from artificial plants to a really expensive electronic or something. So, linen spa 2-inch gel mattress topper for a full-size bed.
Fighting with a snake.
Nothing.
There's like one thing in there.
Wow, this whole big box for this. I literally have no idea. Literally, it's a Moen 30-inch bar only. Bam. Once again, that whole big box for a little bitty area rug. And that is a Butte Clark. Once again, you never know what you're going to get in these lovely Amazon pallets.
There you go, bud.
What is these? I don't know, I have no idea. I'm going to say it's a shelf for your garage, if I was guessing. I know it's a big, I don't know if it's supposed to hook on somewhere. There's 2 little things right here, 1 thing here. I don't know, I'll do some more research on this one. I don't know. Light. On the sand
Container
hill.
for dog food.
Oh.
Or cat food.
Oh, no, it's not useless. It's a container for dog food or cat food. It's like you open it right here, you pour it in here, and then you scoop it out. That's pretty cool. It's actually useful. Not like a bar. next one, we got I think it's really cool. It's a camping chair, but for your DOGs. Yeah, it's like a lawn chair, but it lays out into like a mat, like a bed for your pets. Hey, like that stuff's cool. Like that stuff sells really quick for us, so yeah, it's not like super expensive, but it's stuff that moves really quick for us. Thermo chill. What is this? Is this a cooler? I think this is literally just a styrofoam cooler.
I don't know, I couldn't tell.
I hope there's like a body part or something in there. Nope, it's literally just a little styrofoam cooler. Who in the world orders something like this off Amazon? Like, good lord, these are like $2 at Walmart. Whatever. Oh, nice. A nice Adidas backpack. I've been needing a backpack. This might just become mine. Instead of spending one on a new one. I mean, I don't see tags, so it's not new. So I mean, yeah, I mean it's brand new, but without tags. Yeah. So a nice Adidas backpack. What's this, love? Any idea? Look at a memory foam pillow.
Yeah, that's what I thought.
I don't think it's used. I don't see hair or anything on it. What are you ha-ha about? What's that? Like, can I touch it?
Yeah, it's for babies.
Oh, is it one of those little bumbo seats or whatever
yeah,
you call
I
it?
think that one goes in the bathtub.
It's like a little.
It's the fact that it's used.
Is it used?
Somebody sent it back.
It's Amazon. You seen it back? They sent it back in a Lowe's box. Like a enormous Lowe's box. People crack me up. I tell people that don't know how to ship things, but it's all right. I wouldn't know how to ship things either if I didn't have this job.
Well.
Only a couple more boxes. Thanks a lot for us tuning in. Make sure to like, subscribe. Like I said, $400 Amazon pallet. Just showing what we got.
It's a potty.
A potty.
A kid's potty chair.
A kid's potty chair. I'm not quite sure if it's used or not.
It doesn't look
I don't think so. I think it's just, they just sent it back. I don't know if it's broke or something, but like the plastic is still on with all the handles and things like that, so I don't know. If I have any suspect it's used, well, then it should be. A kid's potty. Bam. And then last but not least, we have a Graco high chair. I don't know what, fast folding high chair. So
It looks like it's been opened.
whisk fashion is the style. So that is it for the $400 Amazon pallet. I think definitely money is here. Just going through everything. So make sure to like, subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys, for tuning in, and we'll catch you on the next one.
See you guys.